At Athletico, we want to treat the entire person. So when you come to physical therapy, we very much individualize your evaluation and your treatment, and we tailor the exercises and the treatment that we do specifically to you and your diagnosis. Early on in my career, I developed a passion for treating people with spine problems, but what I've learned is that the key is prevention. There are some certain things that everyone needs to know, whether they have a problem with their neck, their mid-back, or their lower back, in order to stop a current problem from getting any worse and to stop any future problems from occurring. The key is how you do things during your day and doing them properly and with good form. So that's what we want to cover. One of the most critical components of everything you do during your day is your posture. It might sound basic, but posture is at least half of your battle in prevention of any neck or back injury and preventing a current problem from causing you further pain. The body was meant to withstand the forces of gravity so that if it's weighing down through your head, the vertebrae in your back are stacked up just nicely in the way they're supposed to be to withstand those forces. Once you start to slouch and have bad form during your daily activities, gravity is going to win and cause pain and strain throughout the joints, throughout the ligaments and the muscles, and you're going to eventually get pain. Everything you do during your day affects your spine, and it's important to develop good habits and do them correctly without even thinking about it, so that when you are not in pain, you're not going to start to get sloppy, use poor form, and start to create problems and pain for yourself in the future. You might be surprised at how many activities you do during your day that can injure your neck or your back. For example, just getting out of bed incorrectly can strain your spine, how you pick something up off the floor, how you put your shoes and socks on, how you get in and out of your car, even just simply standing up incorrectly out of a chair can add additional strain and cause injury to your neck or your back. So we want to teach you how to do some of these simple things correctly in a way that's not going to cause any further injury to your neck or your back. Too many people sit at home suffering with neck or back pain without seeking help from a medical professional. So if that's you and you don't know whether you have a neck or back problem that needs to be helped by physical therapy or a physician, a good place to start would be to go to one of the Athletico clinics and inquire about a complimentary screening. It's a free service, so there's nothing you have to lose. You would make an appointment for a complimentary screening with one of our physical therapists. You would go in for a brief consultation, a brief evaluation, during which they would take a look at you and give you their assessment as to whether you might be a good candidate for physical therapy, whether they think you might need to see a doctor, or what you might need to do next.